4 Romeo Bravo, Quad City Ground, Roger. Runway 9er at Echo, taxi via Kilo 3, Kilo 2, Delta Echo, cross runway 5.
Kilo 3, Kilo 2, Delta Echo, cross 5, Bonanza 4 Romeo Bravo. Have fun, boy.
Yep.
You like this?
Now, if the GoPro, here's the...
Bonanza 4 Romeo Bravo, current winds are 140 at 4 and current altimeter 2996.
Roger that for 4 Romeo Bravo, thanks.
The GoPro hears anything it doesn't... If the GoPro hears anything it doesn't need to hear, I can bleep it out.
Exactly, I'm not dumb.
Yep.
A banana.
So we're going on 9?
Yep.
Is Mammoth... Hold up. Is that for the wind? For the best wind?
Yeah.
What about 1-3? Did they say anything about...
We normally don't use that runway.
Oh, you don't?
We normally don't unless it's like really good with the wind or this one's closed or whatever.
Do they not like it using it? Shut the door now.
We don't like using it. Is everything in? Just because it takes longer to get there.
Oh.
And we're lazy, remember?
Yeah, so the people watching this, there's 3 runways, 13, 1331, 235, and 927.
Always give the prop a nice exercise.
Yeah. Alright, so... Alright. I was just thinking of this video for just the GoPro audio and the GoPro footage. Oh, and if I get out again like we did yesterday, I'll put that in there too.
Tower Endeavour 4815 on the visual, runway 9er.
Endeavour 4815, good afternoon, Quad City Tower, runway 9er, clear to land, wind 170 at 4.
Clear to land, runway 9er, Endeavour 4815.
And Quad City Tower 4 Romeo Bravo is ready to go, 9er at Echo.
Bonanza 4 Romeo Bravo, fly runway heading, runway 9er at Echo, clear for takeoff. Traffic is a CRJ9, join in about a 4-mile final.
Runway heading, clear for takeoff, 9er at Echo, 4 Romeo Bravo.
RJ?
Yeah, I see him over there.
Oh.
Alright, you ready, boy?
Yep.
Alright, runway 9er.
Damn, we never use this runway with you. So much wider than 5.
Takeoff power is set. rotate. And gear up. Gears up and locked.
Bonanza 4 Romeo Bravo, when able, turn right heading 130.
Right, 130 for 4 Romeo Bravo.
Bonanza 4 Romeo Bravo, contact departure, have a good day.
4 Romeo Bravo's over to departure, we'll talk to you later. Quad City departure, Bonanza 4 Romeo Bravo's with you, passing 1,200.
Bonanza 4 Romeo Bravo, Quad City departure, radar contact, climb to VFR requested altitude, proceed on course Monmouth Airport.
Climb to requested altitude and on course Monmouth, Bonanza 4 Romeo Bravo. Surprisingly smooth already, wow.
Yeah. Oh, that's
Jumper
not
1, that traffic at 6,500 is directly east of you, about 3 miles, 6,500 westbound. Stock 172, Hotel Golf, contact Rockford approach 126.0. Jumper 1, roger, and at your discretion, jumpers away. Roger.
Notice it was hot out today?
Yeah, it's super hot.
What's up with that?
I don't know. I don't like it though.
Met Force 1, Quad City approach, altimeter 29995, and say request.
Damn, we're already high up.
Met Force 1, roger, and ident, say altitude leaving. Med Force 1, roger, radar contact, proceed on course, and what else did you get to climb to?
Med Force 1.
Oh, I thought he said Air Force 1 for a second.
Thank you.
I thought I was tripping for a second. Is Med Force 1, which one is that? Is that the one that belongs to?
N301 MM.
Which hospital does it belong to?
I'm not.
Genesis East? I know West. West doesn't have a hospital.
Traffic is about a mile now north west of the airport westbound.
I don't remember.
Yeah, Genesis West doesn't have one. Genesis East has multiple. And then I don't know about the Unity Points ones. I'm guessing it's Genesis.
It's based in Geneseo. It doesn't belong to you. I just want to see what the windsocket's doing.
Alright.
Because, you know, this place doesn't have its own weather, so we do have to, like, watch out.
Oh, okay. Does this airport also have a band in, like, Cassville?
No, it's a little bit better. Alright, perfect. That'll work. Monmouth traffic, Bonanza 4, Romeo Bravo is over at the field, entering left downwind, runway 21, Monmouth.
Ooh. I don't know, I'm gonna feel weirder standing on that one.
Why? Because it's not abandoned?
Yeah.
You'll be okay.
Well, I mean, Cassville wasn't abandoned because there's obviously a hangar with like a new truck there.
Yeah, it's literally the same. Monmouth traffic, Bonanza 4, Romeo Bravo's on the left downwind, 21, Monmouth. Stop and go.
What do you plan on doing, like flybys or
How about
and takeoffs and stuff?
2 flybys and then a couple, like yesterday, takeoffs and landings, but not too many. Sound good?
Yeah.
All right. 3 greens and 3 greens. Monmouth traffic, Bonanza 4, Romeo Bravo is left base 21, Monmouth. All right, gas is good, undercarriage is down, 3 green, mixtures full rich, props full forward.
Oh, we got a crosswind?
It's not bad. Monmouth traffic, Bonanza 4, Romeo Bravo's short final 2-1, Monmouth.
I'll stand on the side with the corn. Alright, GoPro, I will see you later. Yeah, I think we want to do this again. It's better off at Cassville.
Yeah, I think so too. Scenery's nicer there anyway.
Yeah, and this place just sketches me out because people are slowing down on the road and that cop and everything.
Monmouth traffic full, Romeo Bravo's taking 2-1 for departure, Monmouth.
But anyway, is it good for you flying?
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. But I mean, are like you having fun and everything?
Yeah. Monmouth traffic, Bonanza 4, Romeo Bravo is making a left downwind departure northbound, Monmouth.
So are we gonna swim?
Yep.
That guy's so nice.
He is.
Yeah. That cop that was on.
I see him.
He was making me very awkward.
Really?
I kept getting stared at, and I didn't want him to come over at me because I couldn't do anything. So I just thought it would be better because I didn't want to risk anything, you know.
Push. If I were you, I would have stood there because I know they can't do anything. That's just me though.
Yeah, but you're over 16, so you got like a license and everything. And they could have seen that, but for me, I ain't nothing except my phone.
Yeah, I see where you're coming from, man.
Because I'm younger, I don't have any like ID or any cards, you know.
Oh, let me see your good old. Here, unlock your phone.
On my Instagram. Oh, the Landon? I don't know. My phone has terrible zoom. That's why I should have brought the 900, but...
The takeoff video is still really good.
I'm kind of glad I didn't bring the 900. If that cop would have saw me with that, he would have thought it was a gun.
Probably.
And I'm not trying to get shot today. Alright, GoPro, I will see you at Moline. Oh, this boat's gonna get a good view.
Yes, sir.
Alright, looks like we got Delta and United.
Oh, yes.
Delta 3990, Quad City Ground, runway 9er, taxi via Mike Juliet Hotel, and cross runway 13. And the 4 Romeo Bravo, right turn when able, remain this frequency.
Right on here on Juliet and this frequency 4 Romeo Bravo.
You want the southeast?
That's affirmed for 4 Romeo Bravo.
And the 4 Romeo Bravo will be Juliet Echo Delta Kilo, cross runway 27, hold short runway 23.
Juliet Echo Delta Kilo, cross 27, hold short 23, 4 Romeo Bravo.
Oh, there goes United. You going the 9? Yep.